This is the exact trading strategy that I use every single day to make sure I exit my trades on time before I give back all of my profit. Now today the big stock was CURX, which just so happened to be the top stock from last night's free watch list that I gave you yesterday. Now this was extremely easy to trade today because last night's watch list I said that I'd be watching this on the break of 58 cents, then watching for confirmation back over 54. Of course, back over VWAP. So we actually get breaking out shortly after market open where I'm able to take my first entry and get a massive move up into the highs, but how did I know to get out before it rejected like this off the highs? Now of course, as you can see, I did sell a majority up into strength on this massive move, but the thing is, on a massive move like this, I want that candle to continue higher. And if it doesn't, then I want to make sure that I'm out as soon as it begins to give back like it did right here. Because context clues, I can assume if price makes a massive move to the upside, then gives it all back, it's probably done. Now we know that buyers liked it back here, so I can assume price pulls back again here and confirms off the 90 EMA. They're probably going to like it again here too. So I took another entry with a stop loss at the bottom of this previous candle underneath the 90 EMA, looking for that curl back up into these previous highs. As price begins to curl up higher, of course it brings the 90 EMA tighter up with it. I'm just trailing my stop loss off the 90 EMA so that if price does break back below the 90 EMA, I'm out with my full profit. And as you can see here, took a full profit before it broke back beneath that previous low. So as you can see, entry right here off 59 cents, got to move to 62, and then of course took a full profit back at my entry. So to sum up and explain in simple terms what this even means, it just means don't let something invalidate. When you're in a trade and you're raising your stop loss, the question you've got to ask yourself is, at what price would this no longer be a valid setup? If this level breaks, is it still valid? And if the answer to that is no, it would no longer be valid, that should be your stop loss. So whatever you want price to continue to do, the second it no longer does that, that's where you want to be out. I saw so many people today saying, well, bro, you said that CURX had range to 80 something cents, but it only got to the 60s today. So how is it a win? Well, you just trade what the chart is giving you, not what you want it to give you. Just because something has range somewhere does not mean that it's guaranteed to make that move, and that's why we just have to trade the chart, trade the trend, and trade what the market is giving you, just like I just walked through on CURX. Otherwise, greed is going to get you every single time.